Okay, so I chose to do Nike because, well, I love shoes, and I'm on my MacBook right now, and it is very responsive on the computer because, well, it's based on computers. So there's that, and then I'm gonna go to the other views. So this one is an iPad Pro, and you don't have to slide anywhere or swipe anywhere to go to see anything. And then even on your iPhones, it's still really responsive. Here's where you find all of your subtitles and tabs. Your shoes, running. It's all very responsive on anything that you run. I like it because it's easy for me to work and understand, so they will pretty much always have my business, and because I love shoes.